Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the free traffic formula that I've been talking about in this last month, just under a month now. I've almost earned $2,000 by the way, and towards the end of this video I'm going to be sharing out a free gift. I've created this nice looking page here, as you can see. I'm just going to refresh it and you'll see the animation as the video comes in and the button animates, and it's all branded to you guys. So towards the end of this video I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to get access to this these extra pages. So if you take action with the free traffic formula system that I've been talking about, and you take action, okay, on the link below this video, you will get access to this page and multiple other pages like it that I'm going to be bringing out. Okay, we've already got the funnel. Okay, the funnel's already been done. This is the funnel that we've all been used, and it's a fantastic funnel, converts really well. But a lot of those pages have already been seen, and a lot of people are promoting those pages. I'm going to get busy now, guys, and I'm going to start making new pages so that your leads are going to absolutely come through and get excited. People who may have seen this and passed it by will finally take a closer look, and they'll want to get on board, because not just because of the free traffic formula that 100% works, but also the fact that we're now branding our team and we're giving them access to this extra value. That's that whole new level of real shove to get people to really take action. So I'm going to be making a lot more pages like this so that you guys can really get things converting much faster, so that you guys can make money. Okay, so this page is going to be available for people who take action. All right, you don't necessarily have to be in my team, you don't necessarily need to be under me, but you need to take action in the free traffic formula that I'm talking about. Okay, if you've considered getting involved and and you're halfway through maybe setting up, or whatever reason you just need that extra push and shove, this system is great, because this is going to help you to convert even more. Just get motivated. I'm going to get to work now and supply you with extra pages, but all you need to do is to show me that you're keen and that you're willing to follow instructions and to work with me and my team. Get fully set up with this entire funnel. Okay, start switching on that free traffic. It's like a push button. Okay, you push the button, you get the traffic. It's free traffic, guys. Make sure that you set your funnel up completely. Okay, just go through the training, and I won't give you this share code until you've got completely set up. The reason for that is because it's not going to work. This actual branded page is not going to work unless you're completely set up. It's vital that you do that. Okay, I need to work with my team closely so I can help you get set up with these great looking branded pages. Okay, they're animated, they've got the call to actions, they're branded to you. This is going to look absolutely awesome using our free traffic. Okay, and as I say, this system has allowed me to earn almost $2,000 in my first month. This was my goal, and from this point on I'm going to be absolutely hammering even further, because as you can see, I'm putting in the work. Doesn't that tell you that if I'm willing to put in the work and effort, this is obviously got to be working? Okay, otherwise I wouldn't waste my time with anything that doesn't work. Okay, I've been there, I've done that, I've worked with a lot of companies that have promised a lot of things. The great thing about this is this has got a fully managed multiple income stream built in, and all the multiple income streams such as the power lead system. Okay, and by the way, the power lead system pays really well. As you can see here, I've had 2 people sign up in the gold as a gold member right here today, yesterday, and what are we now? Okay, we're on the 12th now, but that was on the 9th. That was several days ago. And then on the 8th, and the 8th I got a couple there. And the 7th I got a couple on the 7th, and the 5th, and the 4th and the 3rd. I'm not saying that my results, guys, a little disclaimer here, my results are not typical. Okay, I also work with social media. Why wouldn't you? Okay, if you're excited about what you're promoting, if you're in business, guys, you know, it's like if you run a local business up your high street, and you're running I don't know, a butcher or a bakery or whatever, why wouldn't you do anything you can possibly do to absolutely share your business out there? Okay, that's why I get onto YouTube, because it's the best place to be on. Social media, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Get on these free platforms as well, so you can share that out. Okay, but I love the traffic exchanges and the safe lists, particularly these safe lists. The safe lists are helping me to bring in a huge amount of leads, people who don't know me, but they're getting to know me because this email follow-up series that have been done for you and branded to you is helping to warm these leads up, and gradually down the road they're going to start to take action. So don't quit on this, guys. Don't quit like you've been quitting on the other opportunities that you've been getting involved in. Okay, I've been in this industry for over 4 years now, and people will gradually get on board with you. Okay, it does take sometimes weeks or even months or even longer for people to really warm up to you and start to get to know you. The way you speed that up is to share with them great value like what we're doing here. You can have this share code, and then you can own that share code, and when people come on your list and they sort of hesitate and they wonder if this is the system for you, you can get in touch with them, help them to get onto Facebook so you can get connected with them. Send them a follow-up message, personal message from you. Tell them that we've got this extra value, and if they get completely set up, you'll give them access to that share code, so that they need to take action in order to get access to this share code and this page and so on. That way you're going to be able to warm these leads up much faster, and you're going to be able to convert this further. Now, I've been looking at other platforms and programs and funnels recently, but I really think that this is a very high converting funnel, and also the funnel that you've already got access to is very high converting. As you can see, guys, this numbers don't lie. This has been going on. It's been going on since the 17th of May, and I've had all these sign-ups. Obviously, I'm only searching out. I'm only searching out the members that are coming into Power Lead System. I'm not lying here. Okay, this is real stuff here. Obviously, I've searched in the search box here. I'm not editing my inbox or anything like that. This is real stuff. I'm just simply searching who came in recently since I started work on this free traffic formula, and you can see for yourself this is real stuff. Okay, now, obviously I do get a lot of opt-ins. I get hundreds of opt-ins. That a lot of people will not necessarily take action. Okay, like I say, guys, a little disclaimer again, my results are not typical. If you put in the work and effort, this is going to work for you 100%. Okay, it's going to work for you 100%. I'm not going to guarantee anything, but if you put in the work, you follow instructions, you go through the training, it is absolutely going to work for you. And that's why I'm putting that extra effort to bring you new value and bring you pages like this, and there will be more pages like this coming. With great colors, great eye-popping graphics here, and this is just simply designed to help my team absolutely explode their business. I want this to work. I want people to succeed, and I believe that this is the best opportunity to get started in, because Power Lead System has been around for years. This is a great income opportunity. It won't go down on you like other programs have done. You also get the great, ClickBank, which is another fantastic income opportunity as part of our funnel. Okay, as I say, we've got a fully managed multiple income stream already built into this funnel. You don't have to do anything extra. You can put your own primary business into the system. It'll work with you, whatever you're currently promoting. Okay, so ClickBank has been around since 1998. Okay, nothing within this funnel is necessarily going to go down unless the program that you put in there is a junk program or whatever. But be careful, give people great value through this funnel. Make sure that you get back with them, you talk to them, you follow up with them, send some personal follow-up messages. This is absolutely going to work for you. Focus on this, guys. Focus. All right, I look forward to working with you. Get in touch with me if you've got completely set up with me in this free traffic formula. Get in touch with me on Facebook. All right. If you don't know my Facebook profile, here it is. It's facebook.com/edkeat. Okay, so get in touch with you on Facebook. As you can see, I'm really hammering this system on Facebook as well. My social media is very important to me. I like sharing good stuff. Okay, so get in touch with me on Facebook, and I look forward to working with you. Send me a friend request, but send me a message as well. I won't miss your message. Even if we're not connected, even if we're not friends, I will see your message. Okay, so get in touch. Don't just say hello. Don't just say hi. Get to the point, guys. This is we're busy, and I respect your time, and I hope you obviously do the same for me. Just give me let me know that you came across my video on YouTube. Let me know you're keen and you're excited about the free traffic formula, so I'll understand what this is about. If you just say hi or hello or whatever, I won't know what it's about and I'll probably ignore you. Okay, but I think you respect, and I know you're ready to work hard. I know you're ready to follow instructions. So get with me. I'm here to help you. I will guide you and support you with this system. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next training. Bye for now.